ai nói?
Ở trên mạng á, nó chụp hình cho mình coi luôn, cái giá á. Chả biết của ai nào nữa.
Vậy nó có hệ thống hết rồi.
Giống như
It goes on to say,
all right guys, y'all know I always come show y'all the girls with no clothes on. Ooh, they might strike me for that, might they? Anyways, I gotta drive because I gotta go. All right, so you're gonna see a little clip where I showed y'all where she drilled out the darkness, and that's what I be trying to tell y'all. If you get a green spot, water mold, whatever y'all want to call it, if you take care of it, it will eventually work its way up to the top of your nail. If you're growing out your nails, it will eventually work its way up and you can drill it out. And that's what she did. She drilled all the black out. So now when I show y'all this thumb, you won't see that greeny or that black stuff that you saw before. She drilled it completely out. And that's what I was telling y'all. And somebody already removed her because I don't do no mess over here. That's one thing I don't do is no mess. But somebody had commented on my video and was like, oh, the lady with the dark nails. Y'all know that video that went viral. That I was talking bad about her or something. Like, y'all don't listen. You don't listen. That video was not to bash that lady or anything. Everybody did enough bashing on her in the comments. You will never find me bashing nobody unless somebody coming for me. That video was not to bash her. Somebody requested me to do that video and why her nails looked it like that, and that's what I did. And the reason her nails looked it like that, she basically just didn't take care of them, or her nail tech didn't take care of them. It's nothing against her. It's nothing against nobody. Like I said, my nails are almost what, 5 years old, and you don't see no black. And then the girl gonna come under my comments talking about, oh, they look brown and dirty to her. Baby, you don't listen. This is a pink polish underneath my nails. Where do you see brown? That's why I already removed her. That's why I already removed her. Talking about, oh, your nails. No, my nails are far from dirty, honey. Far from dirty. But see, I don't go through life arguing with people. I don't. You know why? Because I don't have to. There's a block button. There's a delete button. You could wake up every day and not have to deal with no drama. And that's me. That's me. I'm still trying to figure out this camera, y'all. And not only that, the front facing camera has changed. I don't know if y'all can tell. It's not as clear as it used to be, which I'm very upset about. I don't know if there was an update on this Motorola or what it was, but the front facing camera is not what it used to be. And I try to mess with it and play with it, but it's still blurry to me. I don't know, but I'm coming to show y'all the girls, and I just want to show y'all that one nail that she drilled the darkness out of. You can see where she drilled the darkness out of. So all you really have to do, and I have her starting in with pink acrylic. I have her starting in with pink acrylic, guys. So that's why you see two different tones. I want pink acrylic now. So I have her starting in with pink acrylic, just my preference. I go through phases. So I have her starting my fills in with pink acrylic. Eventually, it will all be pink when I show y'all, but there's still some white spots because for years, it's always been white acrylic. Now we're going in with pink acrylic, okay? And underneath my nails is pink builder gel. Somebody asked why I don't put glitter. I do sometimes. Glitter is very hard to remove. Very hard to remove, especially underneath the nails. When you drill this out, you want to, if you're growing your nails out, when you drill this out, you want to be careful not to drill your natural nail, because if you're not careful trying to remove that glitter, you will drill out your natural nail from underneath. Now I do go through phases. I'm looking for a really cute glitter polish to put underneath, but one thing y'all need to learn when y'all come to my channel, this is my channel. One thing everybody needs to understand is I'm gonna do what the hell I want to do. I love suggestions. I love communicating with y'all. I try stuff y'all say try, but you're gonna come to me humble and as a friend, or you're not gonna come to me at all. That's it. People take social media and feel like it's their right to tell you how to live your life and what to do, and not over here. Not over here. Maybe somewhere else, but not over here. I'ma always do me. Period. Period. You get one life, and I suggest you do you. If long nails ain't for you, don't do it. If this ain't for you, don't do it. Do you. That's what I suggest you do. So just know, if you're going to put a comment, you're going to get a comment, and you're going to get removed. Period. But these are the girls before the polish. I got to go to work, so I'm going to have to polish them after work when I get home, because I got to go to work. Because I went out of town for my birthday, I'm going to her. I ran over there on my lunch on an off day. So this is not my regular normal day. So I'm going to have to wait till later on tonight to sit at home and do them. This is because I'm behind, because I went out of town for my birthday and I was gone for like 4 days. Easter is Sunday. Today's Tuesday. I'm still going to do the Easter nails. I wasn't going to, but I'm still going to do the Easter nails. I'm just still going to do the Easter nails. So I'll be coming to y'all at the end of the month. I just uploaded my birthday nail video. So I'm going to give it about a week or two. So I'll be coming to y'all probably the week after Easter to show y'all this video right here with the Easter nails. But I'm going to go ahead and do them, but I ain't going to do too much. Since Easter is 4 days from now, I think I'm going to do some Easter colors. But the Easter stickers that I bought, I'm just going to do it on like 2 nails. 1 nail on this hand and 1 nail on this hand. And so I could save the stickers for next year. Even though I feel like it's always going to fall around my birthday and get thrown off. I'm not going to do too much Easter, because Easter is in, what, 4 or 5 days? And I'm trying to figure out which way I want to go with this traffic. But yeah, I'll be back, guys. I'll be back. Alright guys, I just want to show y'all real quick with the builder gel that I put under my nails. This is the pink one, as you can see. This one came off of Amazon. And it just says builder nail gel rubber base. So it's like a rubber base that protects your nails. And this is the pink one. Okay. I also have a purple one by Madam Glam. It is purple. So this is a purple one. And I have, and Madam Glam and Born Pretty are also on Amazon. I have a clear one by Born Pretty, and it just says Quick Building Nail Gel, and this one is clear. Trying to get my camera to focus. So there are different colors to the builder gel if you want a color underneath, or you can just go clear. If you're not a color person for underneath, the reason I do color underneath is because, like I told y'all before, I don't know what it is with people, but people will ask me to see my nails. Well, they used to. I've changed how I let people see my nails. But before, people would ask me to see my nails, and people really just want to see underneath. That's really what they want to see. But there were times where they would just grab my hand and flip my hand over. Like, first of all, you asked to see. I thought when we was in school, we used to say, see with your eyes, not with your hands. But I guess as we get older, that kind of disappeared. But I started putting color and stuff under my nails because people would be like, oh, can I see your nails? And then just grab them and turn them over. And I guess to really see if they're real, I don't really know what the infatuation is with flipping your hand over. First of all, to me, it's rude. But second of all, if you ask to see, you shouldn't be grabbing people or touching people. But what can you do? People do what they want to do. So I've changed it now, especially after COVID and stuff. And I'm not OCD, but I'm a little OCD. But, you know, y'all be driving down the street and y'all see people like digging up their nose and all that kind of stuff like that. Don't touch me, you know. So now I've changed it. When people used to ask to see my nails, I used to hold my hand out. And that's how they would just grab me or touch me or flip my hand over. Now when they ask to see my nails, I do like this. Anybody ask to see my nails, I do like this or I do like this. I hold both of my hands up. Back here. because you're not finna reach into this personal space area. I figured that out. They not finna reach at all. The builder gel does have like a sticky residue after it come from under the lamp. So I always have my alcohol. I think you can use fingernail polish remover too. I just always use alcohol and a paper towel. And I just put alcohol on a paper towel and rub underneath. Almost like what you have to do with a top coat. So I put builder gel under both of these. Now take the alcohol and I just go underneath each one so it's not sticky. Got to get the stickiness from under it. And you can feel it. You can rub it until it's smooth. When it's smooth, it's not sticky anymore. You can feel when you get the residue off. And then sometimes after I rub it under here, I'll put it back under the lamp one more time. Especially if I have time. I'll put it back under one more time. So I just wanted to show y'all some of the builder gels that I use. You can use any builder gel you want. Some people like builder gel in a bottle. I have that one, but it's messier. It's messier. The one in the jar, builder gel in a bottle, you'll see it in a jar. You need a brush to do that one, and you have to brush it on. And I'm like, this is so much easier, like polish. You gotta wet it or put some whatever you gotta do. I don't use the one in the bottle. It's been sitting here for probably about 2 years now, just sitting in my nail stuff. But I'm finna show y'all my Easter nails. All right, loves, here is my mess. My mess. It is Easter time. I didn't do too much Easter. Y'all might feel like it's too much Easter. I didn't do too much Easter because, like I said, Easter is in now. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 4 days. But whatever. We're going to rock out the rest of April like this because I don't go back to the first week in May. Okay, so here are the Easter nails. I just went in kind of simple. Let me see if I can get y'all some sunlight because there's glitter in this one, but you can't see it. Here are the Easter nails. I have my Easter stickers over here that I got off of Shein. And oh, one is coming up. Okay, I'm gonna have to fix that one. Oh, I see my clippers. Okay, so here is it says Easter at the top. That's a little light. There is the chickadee, the eggs, the diamonds. This one says Happy Easter. I have an Easter basket. I have an Easter bunny coming out. I have the little chickadee, another Easter basket. There's an orange flower down here, but you can't really see it. That over there is peeling up, so I'm going to go ahead and cut that off. Y'all give me 1 second. All right, I had to cut that off because that was kind of aggravating me. And then I put some stones on there. And I didn't even think about it. I probably could have used, I never think about my colored stones. I probably could have used my colored stones. They're really tiny though. But I probably could have used my colored stones. What y'all think? Let me know what y'all think, because next time we got the summer coming and I'm going to do my neon nails for summer. So y'all let me know about the colored stones. But anyways, and then the thumb, I just did like, I tried to give y'all some sunlight so y'all can see the bling bling, but the sun is not wanting to be my friend. So this is my left hand. And we're going to go to the right hand now. So this is the right hand, different colors on the other fingers, as you can see. And here is the Easter nail for the right hand. There is your bunny. There's your eggs. Says Easter. There is another bunny. I don't know what's up with these orange flowers. Now I wish I wanted to put that flower on there. I might peel it off. There's the little chickens, an Easter basket, Easter eggs, and another chicken. I don't know why the orange flowers didn't lay down. I might have to use glue or a little bit more top coat. Oh, hold on, y'all.